everybody, welcome and welcome back to another video. And yeah, so today's video is kind of it's gonna be a quick video, so nothing much to say. Well, as you can kind of read the title, I wanted to kind of explain you guys what actually are my socials, because there is a lot of confusion between because I've been maintaining a YouTube channel and 3 other Instagram pages, of course, with the lowest followers possible, but I respect the followers to follow. But yeah, anyway, you get the point. The thing is, I've recently kind of messed up my whole schedule of content making in the name of consistency, because I wanted to be consistent on YouTube, and I'm trying to be, and it's going well too. So yeah, the kind of growth we are going through day by day, it's really awesome, right? So I would really like to thank everyone who's been supporting me, and yeah, this is my channel, and welcome. So please do subscribe and kind of like and share this stuff. The thing is, I've been maintaining 3 Instagram pages and a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna make this video into some segments where I'm gonna be explaining on what is this and what is that and what is that. Coming to the very first, our very channel, that is, on which you're watching this video. This channel is basically for content creation purpose. Of course, what kind of content? These days I'm doing graphic designing, but my initial plan of making videos, making the type of videos I wanted to make was kind of filmmaking and cinematography. But as the budgets are low and I don't have a camera, and the phone I'm shooting with doesn't really support great stuff which I want to do, so it's not really a thing to kind of tell people that I do cinematography or filmmaking. It's my interest, of course, but with the current resources, I can't do it. I've been trying to get a camera since like a year or year and a half, or it's almost 2 years now. But yeah, for some weird reason, my parents are not getting it. But yeah, anyway, coming back to the point. So this channel can't really be a filmmaking or cinematography related channel. So right now, I'm trying to kind of show off my other skills as well, that are mainly graphic designing, to be honest. And I have also tried vlogging many fucking times, but trust me, God, it's not happening. It's definitely not happening with me. Because the problem with vlogging is, 1, I really have a boring life, and 2, I don't have friends. And the ones I have with are kind of really common. So every time we meet, we just grab a cup of coffee, and then we just don't really do some cool stuff like other people do. But for vlogs, I need a camera, I need a mic, right? On in a busy road or in a busy area, I can't really kind of shout like this, in which I'm doing. It's currently 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm shooting this video because there are no noises in the background. This channel, for now, I can only afford to make videos that are related to graphic designing and stuff like this, face to face, just a small chit chat. That is about the channel. So what about the channel? This channel was initially created to filmmaking and cinematography, which I'm gonna definitely do in the future. That is my goal, actually. So there are bigger things I want to do. Yeah, that's it for the YouTube channel part. And now coming back to the Instagram pages which I hold, the 3. First one is Set is Water, and the other one is Set Film, and the very new one is File Alter Ego. So what are these 3 pages for? The very first page which I've started, the Set is Water, I used to upload gaming clips and gaming videos on that with video quality of 15 frames per second, with 15 FPS gameplay. I used to upload edits, I used to do stuff like that. But yeah, that's how I got into this whole editing and graphic designing field. So that's about that. And now the Set Film, which I've started last year, in this, I kind of got into a high where I got a camera for like a month. It's not even a month. I got a camera like for uh, a week or two. Uh, when I got it, I was really excited, and then I just shot way too many pictures, which initially led me, if I opened a page and I posted one picture a day for 365 days, I would have a page filled with 365 posts with awesome clips and awesome clicks. Oh wow, clips and clips. But yeah, anyway, that was the initial thought of this one. And the current one, the file alter ego graphic designing part. So what has been happening from last 3 months was, it was not too long ago I started learning this Photoshop. It was like a month or 2 months. But before that, I used to do some graphic designing on my phone because why not? I mean, that's how I thought how it worked. But yeah, when I really got into this Photoshop and understood the whole thing, I thought, okay, oh wow, this is something new, and I've started making posts and I've started learning about them. And finally, when I got the hand of the whole Adobe Photoshop thing, I've decided, okay, I'll make a post and then I'll post it on my story, which is on Sit is Water. But again, the thing is, the story only lasts for 24 hours. The high which people will have, like, there are few who just go like, wow, that's a great post, and then the next day they forget it. And I mean, of course, it's not their problem too. Why would you want to remember some random guy's poster he just made for fun? I mean, it's a different thing when it's really remarkable. But again, the thing comes back to, it only stays for 24 hours. So it was like a month or 2 months ago, I've started file alter ego, this page. And in this page, I've been uploading, I just uploaded one post, and then I just forgot about it. And then very recently, when one of my friends started, shit posting their poster designs, I thought, okay, why not we post this? We also have this one. So I've started posting them on file alter ego, and the confusion people have is, I used to upload stories, and then I used to post photography pictures on this one, Sit Film, and then out of nowhere there's another page, file alter ego, which is not even closely related to any of these both things. I mean, this is Sit is Water and this is Sit Film, and where is file alter ego, right? So, and that's the very reason why I put that name. I just wanted to be unique or some shit like that, because it's alter ego. But yeah, anyway, that's not the point. So yeah, that's about this 3 pages that I've been maintaining and trying to manage. So yeah, now the conclusion again. So the Sit is Water, it's kind of my personal blogging page in which I'm gonna post obviously my personal life, and I'm gonna spam reels on my stories. And the Sit Film is for my kind of photography thing, but it's kind of useless right now, so we are gonna put that aside. And this file alter ego, this is a really important page, because this is a page where I'm gonna post my graphic designs which I make. It might be poster design, or it might be a thumbnail design, or it might be a Behance portfolio designs, or it might be a product design or something like that, logo design, right? You get the point, the whole graphic design part. I'm gonna posting over there, so that makes my it also helps to my portfolio and stuff, and also keeps me in check. And that's about this whole 3 Instagram handles. So yeah, that's about it. And coming back to my LinkedIn and Behance, these are completely based for my portfolio purposes, and this is not something you want to follow, or you want to follow or look at, because it's not really useful for you guys, unless you're someone who's trying to find a freelancer who wants to work for you. So yeah, if so, anyone is interested, you can just drop a DM to me. The links are in the description of this video. But yeah, that's about it. That's all about my socials. And then yeah, there's a Discord server which is just lying over there, and with 0 members in it. So if you want to join, you can just join, and we can just chill and do stuff, I guess. And then yeah, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and like. And if there are still any doubts about my socials, or this whole video is for my followers who already follow me on Set is Water, because there are like 600 people who are following, and they do know like who am I and I kind of messed up things when I wanted to be consistent with the content. So yeah, when you're trying to be consistent, you also have to be clear with what and where you're posting stuff. So yeah, that's really about it. This channel, and then 2 Instagram pages, 1 Twitter, and then yeah, 2 other portfolio based websites. So yeah, that's it for this video. And love you guys. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and like this video, and share it to as many as people as possible, this whole channel thing, because if there are any graphic designer friends of yours, it might be helpful for them and for me too, because I'll be able to connect with people and they'll be able to connect with me, and we kind of can build a big network and help each other out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, goodbye.